let's proceed with the head losses in pipe flow. So during our discussion of the hydrodynamics in the Bernoulli's equation, meron na po kayo doong na-discuss na head losses, which is yung energy at point 1 minus the head losses. Head loss at point 1 to 2 equivalent to energy at point 2. So, ano nga ba yung head losses na yun? So, yung head losses dito is of course connected lang din or similar lang po dito sa i-discuss nating head losses. So, first, yung head losses po is classified into two categories. We have the major head loss and then the minor head loss. Wherein yung major head loss is the head loss caused by pipe friction along straight sections of pipe of uniform diameter and uniform roughness. So basically, kapag yung pipes natin is mga typical pipes natin is yung mga bilog na diretso, no? Ayan. So along that pipe, meron po tayong tinatawag na head loss or the major head loss. So once na nagkaroon na ng change in directions, ganyan, or yan. So of course, babago din yung head losses natin dyan. Yung head loss na dyan na may apply natin is yung ating minor head losses based from definitions. So basically, lahat ng pipes may meron po tayong head losses since yung pipe friction po is always present sa mga pipes natin. So, yan. So, first, we have the major head losses. Isisin natin siya. Major tsaka minor. So, ito naman po yung pipe friction equation natin para sa major head loss. So, we have a total of 3 major head loss na kailangan nyo pong sauluhin ito and i-familiarize. Since magagamit nyo po ito sa lahat ng bagay. Basta wag nyo siyang kalimutan. Very important tong mga formula na to. So first, we have the Darcy-Weisbach formula. Hindi na natin i-introduce yung mga gumawa ng formula na to or equation. So we will just acknowledge their greatness using this equation. So first, we have the Darcy-Weisbach. So this is the first major head loss equation for the pipe frictions. So, yung main equation niya is ito po. The head loss is equivalent to the friction factor F times the length of the pipe in meters or in feet. And then we have the average velocity or mean velocity in meter per second or in English unit. And then over the diameter of the pipe multiplied by the 2 times G. So, pwede nyo po itong isaulo. Itong main equation natin for Darcy-Weisbach. So, sa first formula natin, meron po tayo 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 symbols na kailangang i-familiarize. Friction factor, length, velocity, diameter, and then the gravitational acceleration. That is constant. And 0.81 meter per second is good. And then meron pong dinerive na equation galing dito na for circular pipes naman. So ito yung mostly ito po yung pinapa sa ulo talaga. Aside from this, ito pwede niyong sauluhin para alam niyo yung pinaka main equation. Pero since yung mga problem natin dito sa hydraulic subject is always circular pipes, ito na po yung gagamitin nating equation. We have the HF is equivalent to 0.0826 friction factor times the L times the discharge squared over the diameter raised to 5. So, kailangan nyo po yung i-memorize. So, lagay na po sa notes or sa index card or ipatato nyo para di nyo makalimutan. So, of course, the unit for this is SI units lang po para dito sa equation na to. So, basically, yung mga problem naman natin dito is mostly SI units po yung ginagamit. So, next, we have the Manning formula. So, magiging karamay nyo to itong mga formula na to pagdating nyo sa correlations, sa board exams. Yan. So, second major head loss is the Manning formula. So, this formula is best known for the open channel formulas and it is commonly used in pipes. So, pati itong una, commonly used in pipes din po yan. So, pag-analyze ng mga pipes. So, meron kayong research paper about sa design ng mga water system, etc., etc., mga distribution system ng tubig. So, ma-encounter nyo po itong mga formula na to. Major head losses. So, ayan. So, for the formula, meron po tayong velocity is equal to 1 over n. Yung n po is the Manning's or roughness coefficient na always given naman. We have the R or the hydraulic radius raised to 2/3 and then the slope of the energy grade line raised to 1/2 which is yung S. So for now, isulat niyo lang muna para ready ang mga formulas niyo. And then for circular pipes, meron po tayong dalawa. We have 6.35 n squared raised to L over V squared over D raised to 4/3. And then we have 10.29 n squared L times Q squared over D times or raised to 16 over 3. So basically, ito po, halos same lang naman siya. So ito kasi, dito kasing V, in-expand niya na po siya into or kinonvert into Q. So, pero ang ma-advise ko pong isaulo nyo is itong pangalawa. Ito. Since ito naman yung parating ginagamit. Since sa given ng mga problem natin, parating may Q. So yan, screenshot. And then lastly, we have the Hazen-Williams formula. So, it is widely used in waterworks industry. So basically, itong tatlong ito is parati po siyang ginagamit pagdating sa mga waterworks, etc. Basta pagdating sa tubig, sa mga pipes, yun, ginagamit po siya. And then we have formula for circular pipes. We have 10.67 times L times the discharge over the Hazen-Williams coefficient C raised to 1.85 times P raised to 4.87. So, yan. So, medyo makalito lang po yung mga exponent nila and at the same time yung mga multipliers. So, ito kasing multipliers na to, na-derive na po siya doon sa pinaka-main equation. So, of course, mas di na natin siya ipakita. Ito na lang po yung isaulo nyo since ito naman talaga yung gagamitin natin. So, yan. So, bale, we have 0.0826 FL squared, FLQ squared over D raised to 5. We have the Manning's formula, 10.29 squared LQ squared over D raised to 16 over 3. And then lastly, we have the Hazen-Williams, 10.67 LQ 1.85, C 1.85, D 4.87. So, ito parehas lang po dito. So, nagbabago po yung sagot niyan na kapag nababago nyo yung exponent. So, much better if isaulo nyo na ngayon pa lang. So, of course, yung mga units nito, is in meters. In meters, in feet, depende sa unit na ginagamit nyo. So let's try, ay meron pa pala, minor head loss. These are caused by changes in direction or in velocity of flow. So we have sudden enlargement. So tama naman, sudden enlargement kapag maliit yung area, kapag biglang lumaki, magbabago yung velocity. So sa pagbabagong velocity na yun, meron pong effect sa head losses na yun, which is under minor head losses. We have sudden enlargement, we have HL, V1 minus V2, V1 itong before, and V2 ito naman after. Raised to 2 over 2G. And then gradual enlargement naman, ito naman yung magiging equation, Kg, coefficient for the gradual, times the velocity over 2G. Screenshot 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Next, we have the sudden contraction. So for sudden contraction naman, this we have HL times the Kc. Ito naman yung coefficient niya. Yan. Mababago lang dito is yung coefficient. Kg and then Kc. So, ito, tatlo lang din yung minor head losses na kailangan nyo i-memorize. So, memorize po, no? Required na natin na makapag-memorize tayo. Para wala tayong errors pagdating sa exam. So, let's try using or solving for the problem number 1. So, yan. Solve muna natin itong 1 na to. Tapos, okay. Tapos, papasolve natin yung pre-class. So, a new cast iron pipe must carry 1.2. So, this will be the Q. No? Since cubic meter siya. At a head loss of 5 meter per kilometer length of pipe. So, meron tayong head loss of 5 meter. This will be the head loss. Per kilometer, ibig sabihin, may 1 meter length ng pipe daw po. So, ito na yung length. Compute the diameter of the pipe using the following formulas. Heysen-Williams, Mannings, Darcy-Weisbach. Tapos may corresponding coefficient and factors. So, start natin for letter A. Sulat lang muna natin yung equation natin. First, for Heysen-Williams, we have 10.67, LQ 1.85, C1 1.85 for T 4.87. So we have HF 10.67, ano yun? L, Q 1.85, and then C 1.85, tapos diameter 4.87. So we have here the equation for Heysen-Williams. So what we're going to do is substitute all the givens from the problem. So for HF, meron po tayong nakita, head loss of 5 meters. So yan na po yung ilalagay natin dito as the given for head loss. Equivalent to 10.67. Yung length is of course 1,000 meters since meron po tayong 1 kilometer. Nakuha yung length. React naman kayo, baka mahimbing na kayo natutulog yan. React ano? Clap. Clap. Wala kasi ditong ano ice cream. Mas maganda ata yung ice cream. Ice cream yummy. Diba? And then for the Q, meron po tayong given na Q. 1.2. So automatic 1.2 na po yung ilalagay natin, no? Since yung unit niya is meter. Naka-cubic meter naman per second. Tapos, don't forget the exponent, 1.85. Yun. Kasi, mostly, sa mga students, nakakalimutan yung exponent natin. Sayang. Diba? Over C, which is given, meron po tayong C 120. And then exponent ulit, 1.85. And then for the D, unknown. And then 4.87. So yan. So ang gagawin niyo is ship solve nyo na lang. But medyo matagal po yung calculations niyan, especially kung hindi po kayo maglalagay ng initial value. So, paka-type muna nito. Tapos, ganito yung ita-type nyo, no? So, sa lalabas sa calculator is ganito. Tapos, pag ship solve nyo, tatanong po yan ng value. May question mark, di ba? Ship solve. So, maglalagay ka ng value around 0.2 to 1 meter na lang. Or maglagay ka ng value na yan. Ilagay nyo na lang 0.5 tuloy. Range naman siya eh. So, once maglagay kayo ng 0.5, since yung mga sagot dito sa diameter is around ganyan lang naman, 0.2 to 1 meter yung diameter. So basically, mas mabilis pong mag-calculate yung calculators natin. So in this case, meron tayong makukuhang sagot na moment. Or pwede naman gawin kung sanay kayong mag-simplify, i-manipulate nyo lang yung equation. So itong part na to, ilagay nyo sa taas, ipagpalit nyo yung 5 dito naman sa baba. So ang mangyayari, magiging D raised to 4.87. Tapos, 10.67, 1,000, 1.2, 1.85. Yan, may sagot na. Pero pagkita muna natin ito. 120, 1.85, tapos 5. So, magiging ganyan yung simplifications nyo ng equation. So, para matanggal itong exponent na to, maglagay ko ng exponent din, tapos nakalagay 4.87. Mas mabilis yung calculations kapag ganito. Maka-cancel yan, may tira D. Yan, screenshot muna nito. Erase natin. So we have the value of 0.839. In meters po yung magiging sagot natin for letter D. Yan. Letter A, we have 0.839. Answer. Screenshot for letter A. So, itong mga topic na ganito, nung lumabas sa Corel, sa board exam, matik, no? Kahit wag na kayo magsulat, calculate nyo na lang. 1 point. Para pag nakakita kayo ng ganitong problem kasi, parang may isip nyo, may pag-asa ang mundo. Parang gano'n. Diba? May experience nyo yan. May experience nyo yan. Darating din kayo dyan. Pag nakikita kayo mga ganitong problem, yan, may isip nyo, may pag-asa ang mundo. Legit. Naririnig ba ang ulan sa background? Or hindi? Ay, nag-flex lang ko ng mic na may auto noise cancellation. Di tayo mapipigilan ni Christine. GG na to. So letter B, Manning's formula. So, balikan lang natin yung equation natin for Manning's. Meron tayong, pwede natin itong gamitin tatlo. Ano? Pero ang gagamitin natin is ito na lang pong isa. Itong may box na red. And ito na rin. Try natin isolve yung dalawa. Basically, parehas lang po yung lalabas dyan. So we have 10.29 n squared L squared d16 over 3. HF, multiplier 10.29, coefficient L Q squared over diameter 16 over 3. So yan. Ito yung unang equation natin. Try natin i-solve. So same lang po yung gagawin nyo. Substitute the given to the equation. We have 5 meters, 10.29 times n. Ano po yung n natin? Given po yan sa problem. We have 0.012. Of course, naka-squared po yan, no? So once na makalimutan nyo yung squared, mababago yung sagot. And then, of course, yung L natin is para silang po, 1,000. And we have the Q na 1.2. Squared ulit. And then, for the diameter, anon po yung diameter natin? So, again, shift solve or simplify nyo na lang. So, ganito na lang. I-simplify nyo na lang para matuto na kayo mag-simplify mga ganito. Especially kapag mag-solve kayo ng diameter. Type nyo, square root of, yung square root yung may lalagyan dito na box. Medyo makapal ang ano, ang line weights. We have 16 over 3. We have 10.29, 0.012, 1,000. Huwag kayong mag-asa parate sa ano, shift solve. Kasi minsan yung canon, may topak yan. Ganito lang. Type nyo sa calculators nyo. So magkano po yung, or ilan po yung sagot? Ay, meron na pala eh. We have 0.8524. 852. Okay? So we have 0.852 meters. Then, easy. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, mas may mga ganitong problem, mapapaano kayo, may day kayo ng thank you, Lord. Diba? So, try naman natin yung isang formula. Ito. Para lang din maipakita natin. No? Ay. Tanggal yung saksak. Dito na lang natin sa Gidley. We have V 1 over N R 2/3 S 1/2. So, in our equation, wala tayong R, wala tayong S. Meron tayong N, meron tayong velocity. Pero pwede po nating magawa ng paraan yan. Ayan, balikan lang natin yung equation natin dito sa... So, makikita nyo po, we have yung slope na S, we have HF or the head loss over the length. So, kayang-kaya natin ma-solve yan. Since meron tayong head loss and then meron tayong length. But at the same time, yung R is the hydraulic radius. So, yung diameter natin is equivalent to sa 4R. So, pwede natin makuha yung R by D over 4. Ano po? Ayos lang natin. So, yan. Balikan natin dito. So, for S muna, or ilagay lang muna natin dito itong equation natin. So, for V, meron tayo ulit Q over A. So, isubstitute natin dito muna. We have Q over A. We have 1 over N. For R, we have D over 4 raised to 2/3. And for S naman, we have the head loss over the length raised to 1/2. So basically, yung equation po natin na to, ito, galing lang din po yan dito. Minanipulate lang, inayos, nagkaroon ng main equation na ginagamit na for today. Pero basically, galing yan po siya dito. Lahat. No? I mean, hindi lahat, para sa Mannings. So, ang gagawin natin is, of course, substitute natin to. Q, we have 1.2. And then for A, we have pi over 4 D squared. Equivalent to 1 over 0.0112. And then for D, unknown. Lagay natin ng red para distinguish natin. 2/3. And of course, we have HF 5 over 1,000. Raised to 1/2. So dito, pwede na kayong mag-shift solve na lang para mas mabilis. Or kung mas mapabilis sa inyo simplify, simplify nyo na lang. So, in this case, yung sagot po dyan is of course parehas lang po dito sa nakuha natin na 0.852. Pero paki-double check ha. Comment kayo ulit. Paki-solve. Kung parehas yung nakuha, bigyan ako ng malaking like. Okay. Wala pa nagla-like. Medyo processing pa ata yan. Pero all in all, ito muna yung equation ay solution. A and B. Screenshot. Ay, naliit pala yung sulat ko eh. Akin natin para maganda. And screenshot. And then for the last item, letter C, we have Hazen Williams naman. Hazen Williams. Daisy. Darcy Weisbach. Hinahalo-halo na yun. So we have the given na 0.01221 for the friction factor. So for the equation natin, balikan natin ulit. We have 0.0826 FLQ squared over D raised to 5. We have HF 0.0826 FLQ squared over D raised to 5. Sa ulo ko pa nga eh. Ano kasi yan ay may tongue memory. So once na sinasabi mo yung mga formula, tawag na doon tongue memory. Pero kung sinusulat mo, muscle memory. Parang another day, another learning. 0.0826 FLQ squared d raised to 5. So wala na ditong babaguhin, no? We have the head loss 5, 0.0826, 0.021, length is 1,000, Q is 1.2 raised to 2, raised to 2 over d raised to 5. So ano po yung magiging diameter natin dito? O gawin nyo na lang ganito. Square root of raised to 5. 0.0826, 0.021, 1,000, 1.2 over 5. 0.87. Kindly confirm for 0.87. Diba? Kadali lang. So, gawin naman natin yung isang equation ulit. Yung pinaka-main, we have HF, FL, D, V squared over 2J. Basically, itong equation na to, galing lang din yan dito. Sinimplify lang inayos. We have F 0.021, D, unknown, L is 1,000, tapos 2G, we have 2 times 9.81. And then dV is of course, palitan natin ng Q over A. Wherein yung Q po natin is 1.2 over pi over 4 raised to diameter is squared. So yan, we have HF na 5. So shift solve ulit. Meron tayong D na same lang po yung lalabas din, no? We have D na 0.8704. Answer. So, ayan. Screenshot. Problem number 1 for the major head loss. So kindly open your workbook in page 25. Eh, wait lang.
Sir, intig submit me po, sir.
Ha? Eh, oo nga pala. Sa office niyo. Anyways, same lang pala yung mga examples na nilagay ko. In class na lang later. Tapusin na lang muna natin tong discussion. Ano na lang kayo? Isang problem. May dalawa. Tapos mag-in class kayo. So okay, tapusin lang muna natin tong problems. Tapos you'll be going to answer the in-class assessment sa yellow pad na lang or sa paper, sa bond paper, tapos i-attach nyo na lang doon sa workbook once makuha nyo na. Ano? Basically, same lang yung process nito eh. Bago lang po dito is yung unknown. Pero try na din natin i-solve. Isa na lang pala eh, kasi yung isa board work. Check ko muna yung problem nyo sa in-class. Baka parehas eh. Velocity. Wala. Okay. Add tayo ng paper. Ito maganda to. Need that. So 1 meter diameter new cast iron pipe. 845 meters long. We have the length. And has a head loss of 1.11. So given na ulit yung head loss and then yung length and also the diameter of the cast iron pipe. Based on the problem, we need to find the discharge capacity for this pipe using the different equations of the major head losses. So yan. Sulat lang, copy na lang natin yung mga formula natin. Gagamitin. Copy. Wait lang. Ayusin lang natin to. Paste. To, copy. Paste. Damay. Then last ito. Copy and then paste. So ito po yung gagamitin natin yung mga equation for this problem. So first, Hisen-Williams ulit, we have the C, 130. So substitute lang po natin yung mga givens natin dito, no? So we have the diameter, 1 meter, length, 845, and then the head loss na 1.11. So for letter A, we have 1.11, 10.67, 1.11, 10.67, 845. Q unknown, raised to 1.85. And then the C is 130. Tama? Ito. And then raised to 1.85 ulit. And then 1 meter. Ayan. 4.87. So for the Q, isolve nyo na. Tapos comment nyo na lang po yung answer. So ilalagay na lang natin dito yung equation. Sulat ko na yung mga equation, 1.11, 10.29. N natin. So basically, ang gagawin nyo na lang is isosolve na lang po. 0.013 squared 845 Q unknown is 2 over 1, 16 over 3. And then 1.11, 0.0826. F is 0.021. L is 845. Q is unknown. Squared divided by 1 raised to 5. So yan. So makakuha kayo ng tatlong Q. Type nyo na lang yung equation tapos shift solve. Kindly comment your answers na lang. So, give you time to solve. 5 minutes. So yan. Answers are, first we have 1.001 cubic meter per second. Next is 0.8869 or 868. Lastly, we have 70. So, di ba? May pag-asa ang mundo. Oh. So, kung na-solve nyo to, may pag-asa ang mundo. The word is healing. So, ayan, parehas yung sagot na nakuha natin. May sagot pala dito eh. 1.001, 0.868, 0.870. Screenshot